In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a form in Typeform. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the process of getting rid of those forms that you no longer need. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Typeform account. Once you're in, navigate to the Workspaces section. You can do this by going to the URL provided, or simply find the Workspaces tab on the dashboard. Workspaces is where all your projects are organized, and this is where we'll start the deletion process. Once you're in the Workspaces, take a moment to familiarize yourself with what you see. You should see a list of your forms displayed here. If you have multiple forms, scroll through and locate the one you want to delete. Remember, deleting a form is permanent, so be sure that you really want to remove it from your account. Next, look for a small icon of 3 dots, which usually represents more options. It's generally located next to the form name or on the form overview. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can manage various settings and options for the form. In this menu, you should see the option to delete the form. Click on that. At this point, Typeform may prompt you to confirm your action. It's always good to double-check your choice. Deleting forms can't be undone, so make sure it's the correct one before you proceed. Once you've confirmed the deletion, the form will be permanently removed from your workspaces. This will help in keeping your account organized and ensure that you are only maintaining forms that are actively in use. Now, if you're dealing with quite a few forms often, it might help to develop a system for tracking which forms you no longer need. You can consider renaming forms, archiving them, or tagging them in a way that indicates they are no longer active. That way, when it comes time to delete later, you have a clearer idea of what needs to go. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Deleting a form in Typeform is straightforward once you know where to look. Just remember to follow those steps. Navigate to Workspaces, find the 3 dots next to the form, click on Delete and confirm. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. I'm here to help you navigate through Typeform, whether it's creating forms, analyzing responses, or even deleting forms you don't need anymore. Your journey with Typeform should be as smooth as possible, so don't hesitate to ask questions or leave comments below if you need further assistance. So, to recap, remember to be mindful before you hit delete. Once it's gone, it's really gone. It's all about keeping your workspace clean and efficient. I hope this video has made the process easier for you. Until next time, happy form building and good luck with your next project.